Hi friends, I'm Rahul Nagamangla. Welcome to Rahul Nagamangla Fitness. I'm back with one more video which is related to CWM shred series. Today I'm going to do back and biceps. So in this you know very well that we are going to do only compound exercises. We are not going to do any isolation workout and we are not going to use any machines, isolation machines. So I'm going to start with warm up. To do the pull-ups, okay, you can do 4 to 5 sets maximum reps. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. After this we are going to start back workout. So in this compound workout I have designed the plan that I'm going to start from lower back to upper back. So first I'm going to perform the deadlift, that is a 5 sets you have to do. In this the regular rep ranges or sets, their differences are there in each workout sets. So now I'm going to do deadlift. Deadlift is a very dangerous exercise and as well as very beneficial as well. So the posture and holding and lifting is very important. To the first exercise, that is deadlift, okay, and in this the main thing is if you want to warm up before these sets, you can do hyper extensions, 4 to 5 sets, 12 to 15 reps. This is you have to do. Don't do this bending and lifting and all. You will end up with an injury. So in this you have to perform around 4 to 5 sets and repetitions will be like 12, 15 according to your capacity, and increase the weight after every set. And make sure that while performing this deadlift or back workout, any big muscle workout, you are lifting heavy, wear the belt. That is very important, because back is the key of our body. If one's gone, then you always face the problems. Guys, now my second variation in back shred workout is barbell underarm rowing, bend over rowing, and with this I'm going to do the dumbbell single hand rowing. So be with me and see how I am doing this, okay, and how is my body position, the posture and form, tempo I am maintaining. I am doing very less repetitions, but I am mentioning the reps, how much you have to perform, that you have to follow that and do accordingly to the reps and sets I have mentioned, and I am going to write this in description box as well. So be with me. You saw this, how I was holding the bar and how I was pulling this, and squeezing the muscle is very important. When you squeeze the muscle, all the blood goes to the particular muscle and you will get the benefit of it. So now I am going to do the single hand dumbbell rowing, that is the superset we are performing this variation. So that was the superset A, second variation A exercise. This is the B I am going to do. So keep watching and always follow the posture and position I am showing here. So friends, this was the second variation, that is underarm barbell rowing and as well as single hand dumbbell rowing. So in this you have seen my back is always, I'm keeping straight, because when you keep your back straight, the posture and form of the lifting the weight will be proper. If you are not using your back in an arch position and you are taking it in a ball position, then you will end up with an injuries and it will hit direct to your disc, back or spinal, and as well as you are lifting you will start lifting the weight from your shoulders instead of your lat muscles. So this was your second variation of the shred back. Now I'm going to do the third variation. Friends, this is the third variation. In this we are not going to do any superset. This is a regular set, but we will perform 5 sets. That is a barbell over arm rowing. That is again we are bending and we are taking this and we do rowings in this, and we try to do heavy This is helpful for our upper back, okay, and upper mid back. You'll get the width and as well as thickness. So in this we do 5 sets. Repetitions range is 5 to 12. If you are lifting heavy, you can go till 5 reps. If you are keeping in a moderate weight, then do 12, 10, 8 like this, okay. I've seen while lifting the weight, I'm not taking my body like this. I was just taking my hands up and I was trying to touch the bubble, center of the bubble, to my upper abs or lower chest. When we are lifting this weight, you should be aware that this particular lift and movement is hitting my upper back and you're feeling that squeeze and as well as pump. And while lifting, don't do this wrist like this and all. Again, the weight will go waste whatever you are lifting. Take it straight, it should hit straight. Always against to muscle, that you will get more reaction in pull workout. So even as well as push as well as going against, pulling against, you will get the pump and results good in proper motion and tempo. This is the last variation in back stretch. So I'm going to do this T-bar pull with this handle, close grip, and with this I'm going to do pull-ups. That is a maximum rep we have to perform. 4 sets we are going to do superset in this, and in this repetition ranges from again 5 to 12 because it's a compound workout. The more heavier you lift, the more benefit you will get and results you will get. So keep watching. I'm going to perform this last workout, last variation in back stretch. Friends, you have seen how I was pulling the weight towards my upper stomach, the upper ab, and I was squeezing my elbows were not like this, it was inside, and it was squeezing my wings, lat muscle. While lifting this, if you are lifting heavy, you can give little bit jerk because you can't get support in this. Even if someone is standing in front of you, you need to pull all the weights. You can take that jerk, but make sure, again I'm telling, wear the belt. And with this I'm going to do the superset, that is a pull up. This is the 4th variation end of the back shred, and this is a complete workout of compound workout movement shred series back workout. Maximum rep you have to perform here, and there the rep ranges varies from 6 to 12. If you are lifting heavy, you can go down to 7, 6, 5. So friends, with this muscle, this is a major muscle, back muscle, that we are performing on Tuesday. So with this I'm going to do bicep workout, so be with me. We have to perform 2 muscles in one day in compound workout movement shred series. Friends, this is the minor muscle we are going to perform with back workout, so bicep. So in biceps we are going to do first variation, all supersets. First variation is barbell curl. You can perform in Olympic rod as well. With this I am going to do hammer curl. So rep ranges are 12, 10, 10. 3 sets we have to do. Friends, this is the first variation, that is a barbell curl and hammer curl. So we have seen how my position was and the form I was following and tempo I was maintaining while lifting the weight. Here I was not doing this and I was not doing this. Just take it straight to your muscles, against to your bicep muscle, and go down. Don't do this. Your palm should face to the roof and go down and up. In hammer also I did the same. Keep your elbows here locked and lift. The top of the dumbbell should be parallel to your shoulder delta muscle and go down. Friends, now the second variation in bicep shred, that is the dumbbell curl, and this one reverse barbell curl you can do in easy bar as well. I'm using a straight bar. So same sets, same variations, same sets and same repetitions, that is 12, 10, 10 and I'm going to do the third variation, that is inward bicep curl and constant pressure. So this is the last variation for biceps, and this we have done inward bicep curl. You have seen how I was lifting the weight inside to this cleavage part. This line you have to take dumbbell towards there and come back, and don't do this wrist movements, just lift, contract and take your dumbbell back. So this one, the repetitions, as I said, 12, 10, 10, and you can increase the weight according to that. You can decrease the reps. With this I did concentration curl as well, and you have seen how I was doing. I was not giving any jerk and all. I was just keeping my elbows to my knees and I was lifting the weight. So friends, this is the CWM shred series second day, that is the week second day, Tuesday. We work out major and minor muscle, back and biceps. So rep ranges I have mentioned in the video, and I am going to mention in description box as well. See, follow and do this workout, and follow the posture, form and tempo. The more slow you do and perfect you do, you will get the results of it. So friends, I hope you have loved this video. And the last workout which is left out, that is legs and one more minor muscle. I'll come back with that soon. Also the core exercises as well. So keep watching my channel, subscribe, share, like. Please give me the comments and feedback so that I can improve the fields I'm lacking behind. Thank you so much. Keep loving me, liking my videos and share my videos as much as possible if you feel that it is a useful one. Thank you so much.